In 2024, a single electric car company is worth more than Toyota, Volkswagen, and Ford combined. Despite producing just 1.8 million vehicles annually, Tesla commands a staggering $1 trillion market value, while Toyota, delivering nearly 10 million vehicles, stands at less than one-third of that valuation. Everything you thought you knew about automotive success, production volume, revenue, brand value, seems to be turning upside down. But here's what's really keeping auto executives awake at night. Tesla's market premium isn't just defying gravity, it's accelerating, and the traditional automakers are racing against time to decode why. What invisible force is driving this massive valuation gap? And more importantly, what does it tell us about the future of the entire automotive industry? For traditional automakers, this is the difference between survival and obsolescence in the next 5 years. Let's uncover the truth behind the trillion-dollar paradox. The manufacturing revolution. Think of Tesla and Toyota's battle like two restaurants. One makes everything in-house, from growing vegetables to baking bread, while the other coordinates with the best suppliers in town. Let's explore why Wall Street is betting big on the first approach. Vertical integration. Tesla's approach to manufacturing fundamentally transforms the traditional automotive model. Imagine a smartphone manufacturer that not only assembles phones, but also designs their chips, develops their software, and creates their own app store. That's Tesla's strategy in the automotive world. The numbers that matter. In 2023, Tesla achieved a 19.4% gross margin while delivering 1.8 million vehicles, generating $15 billion in net income. To put this in perspective, that's $8,333 per car sold, a figure that towers above most traditional automakers. The supply chain advantage. Toyota's legendary just-in-time system is like a perfectly choreographed dance between suppliers and manufacturers. However, Tesla's vertical integration is more like owning the entire theater, from ticket sales to performance. Innovation speed. When Tesla needs to improve their batteries, they can implement changes immediately. Traditional manufacturers must coordinate with multiple suppliers. Imagine trying to change a recipe when different chefs make each ingredient. Traditional model challenges. Toyota's established supply chain provides stability but faces new pressures. Think of it like a restaurant that depends on external suppliers. When tomato prices surge, they're at the mercy of the market. Tesla's alternative. By controlling its supply chain, Tesla can better manage costs and innovation. When commodity prices rise, they can quickly adapt their production processes or materials, similar to a chef who can instantly modify recipes based on ingredient availability. Future implications. The market is betting that Tesla's vertically integrated approach will define the future of automotive manufacturing. With sustainable products growing 2.7 times faster than conventional alternatives, control over the entire production process becomes increasingly valuable. The digital revolution. Think of your smartphone. In the early 90s, it was just a device for calls and texts. Today, it's your wallet, entertainment center, and personal assistant. The same transformation is happening in the automotive industry, but with much higher stakes. The digital divide. Imagine two cities, one where every building operates independently, and another where everything, from traffic lights to energy consumption, communicates in real time. That's the fundamental difference between traditional automakers and Tesla's approach to connected vehicles. The technology edge. Tesla's vehicles aren't just cars. They're rolling computers that get smarter with every mile driven. Tesla has reported that over 300 million miles have been driven using its full self-driving beta, showcasing the scale of its data collection efforts. Think of it like a social network. The more users contribute, the more valuable the platform becomes. Smart integration. The network effect. Traditional automakers focus on selling cars. Tesla builds an ecosystem. It's like comparing a standalone DVD player to Netflix. One sells a product, the other creates an evolving platform that continuously adds value. Infrastructure innovation. While Toyota excels at manufacturing efficiency, Tesla is reimagining the entire transportation infrastructure. Their supercharger network isn't just about charging cars. It's creating a new standard for energy distribution, similar to how Starbucks redefined coffee shops as community hubs. The data advantage. Tesla vehicles are rolling data centers on wheels. Equipped with advanced sensors and cameras, models with higher autonomy features collect vast oceans of information with every mile driven. This isn't just technical data, it's a real-time neural network learning about consumer behavior, road conditions, and energy patterns. Imagine a focus group of millions providing feedback 24/7, shaping the future of transportation with every turn of the wheel. Future-proofing the platform play. Tesla's approach to software isn't just about updates, it's about continuous evolution. Just as your smartphone transforms with each update, Tesla vehicles undergo digital metamorphosis throughout their life cycle. In 2023 alone, Tesla owners witnessed their vehicles gain new capabilities worth thousands of dollars, most delivered wirelessly for free. It's like buying a book that keeps writing new chapters long after you've brought it home. Entrepreneurial insights. Think of Tesla's strategy like building the iPhone of cars, creating not just a product, but a platform that others can build upon. For entrepreneurs, the lesson is clear. Don't just solve today's problems. Build infrastructure for tomorrow's solutions. 3. The value revolution. Imagine two stores. One sells premium coffee for $5 a cup, while another charges $3 but makes additional revenue from a mobile app, a loyalty program, and selling customer data. This simple comparison illuminates the revolutionary shift happening in the automotive industry. Look at these numbers. Wall Street values Tesla at about $555,000 for each car it sells, while Toyota gets just $27,400. Pretty eye-opening, right? This isn't just about who makes better cars anymore. It's about who's building the business of tomorrow. Tesla's approach, treating cars like smartphones with constant updates and data collection, is why investors are betting so heavily on them. It's a perfect case study of how going digital can completely flip the script in even the most traditional industries. Beyond metal and motors, Tesla's vehicles generate recurring revenue through premium connectivity subscriptions, full self-driving capabilities, and over-the-air updates. Think of it like your favorite streaming service. The initial purchase is just the beginning of the customer relationship. Each Tesla vehicle is essentially a data center on wheels. In banking terms, it's like having millions of ATMs that not only process transactions, but also gather valuable consumer behavior data 24/7. The new metrics, traditional automotive metrics like production volume and market share, are being replaced by customer lifetime value, revenue per user, data generation capacity, platform engagement rates. Future revenue streams. Digital services. Tesla's approach mirrors the iPhone ecosystem. Create a platform where third-party developers can build applications and services. Imagine your car becoming an app store on wheels. Energy integration. The supercharger network isn't just about charging cars, it's building the AWS of energy distribution. Every charging station becomes a profit center and data collection point. Entrepreneurial wisdom. Think of Tesla's strategy like Netflix's transition from DVD rentals to streaming. They're not just selling a product, they're building an ecosystem that generates multiple revenue streams. The race between Tesla and Toyota isn't just about cars, it's a blueprint for the future of business itself. Think about how Netflix transformed entertainment, how Amazon revolutionized retail, and how Apple redefined consumer technology. Tesla is doing the same to mobility, proving that in today's world, the most valuable companies aren't those who make products, they're those who build ecosystems. The trillion-dollar valuation gap between Tesla and Toyota reveals three fundamental shifts in modern business. Value creation has moved from products to platforms. Data and connectivity are now more valuable than physical assets. Customer relationships have evolved from transactions to subscriptions. By 2030, 95% of new vehicles will connect to the internet, transforming every car into a revenue-generating platform. This revolution extends beyond automotive. It defines how every industry must evolve to survive. Just as the iPhone created opportunities for app developers, this transformation will create new markets for entrepreneurs who understand the power of ecosystem thinking. The winners of tomorrow won't be those with the biggest factories or the most efficient production lines. They'll be the ones who build platforms, not just products, create ecosystems, not just services, generate data, not just revenue. If you've stayed with us until this point, congratulations. You're already in the top 1% of entrepreneurs who understand that success in today's world requires deep strategic thinking and continuous learning. You're not just watching content, you're investing in your future. Your presence here shows you have the mindset needed to build the next generation of successful businesses. You understand that true value creation goes beyond traditional metrics and into the realm of ecosystem thinking. To continue this journey of strategic insight together, subscribe to Simple Storytellers and hit that like button. We're building a community of forward-thinking entrepreneurs who see beyond the obvious and shape tomorrow's opportunities. Share your thoughts by commenting valuable content below. Your engagement fuels our mission to deliver more in-depth strategic content for visionary thinkers like yourself. Remember, the future belongs to those who not only embrace change, but shape it. The question isn't whether your industry will transform, it's whether you'll be the one transforming it.